Katie Winkler, and I'm your instructor for this British Literature 1 class. I've created a short screencast to give you an idea of what the course is like. I'll see you online on Monday. From the Blue Ridge homepage, you want to go to Students and then My Courses. You want to log in. From your My Courses page, you'll choose English 241. And this is your landing page, the course homepage. You want to check the course announcements regularly. They also go to your webmail, so you will want to check your webmail regularly as well. You'll see a forum for student questions and discussion, and then the syllabus book. Click on the syllabus book. It looks like this. Click Next Your Instructor, and it moves through the information. There's also a menu on the left. Here are my office hours. On Wednesday I'll be on campus, but the other office hours will be virtual. You can click on my appointment calendar to make an appointment at other times. From the course homepage, look under Course Resources at the Travel Project information. Click on the General Information and then on Travel Project Information. This will give you all of the information you need for the major project in the course, which is the travel project. It explains everything. This is a time-consuming project. You will need to start on it right away. I will be helping you get started on it by doing assignments in the class, but you do want to realize when it is due and to start doing the work on it. Then look at the samples. The samples are very important to look at. The first one you want to look at is the annotated bibliography. I have written an annotated bibliography the way that I want it to look. You're going to have a one-page summary, might go a little over a page. You're going to have your sources in alphabetical order, MLA style, with a paragraph explaining. Now, don't get worried. I'm going to be explaining all of this in more detail, but you want to go ahead and get an idea. If you read the commentary in red there, you get a very good idea of what the project is going to be like. So be sure you take a look at that sample. Very, very important. Now we will take a look at the presentation part of the project, a 14-day itinerary based on the annotated bibliography. So the information you found will help you make a trip. You will need to have a synopsis of the works that you have chosen, and then a day-by-day itinerary based on the research that you did. You'll also do extra research on the internet to find prices and places to stay. It's like a regular trip, except this one is going to be based on research that you did, and it'll be a literary trip through the country, probably England, wherever it is that you are visiting. You can see this in more detail and go more slowly to read the whole thing when you look at the project information folder. You're also going to include a budget, which does need to be itemized. Take a close look at that to see what I want. You can see that this project will take time. It took me a lot of time to do this project. After you look at the travel project information, Go to your menu and let's look at the Getting Started assignments. Actually, it's only one assignment, very easy one. Notice that you need to complete the syllabus confirmation quiz before midnight on Friday, August 28th, or you risk being dropped from the course. So click on syllabus confirmation quiz after you've read the material that we just looked at, the syllabus, the information on the travel project, etc., etc. Click on syllabus confirmation quiz and do that before anything else after you've read the introductory material. The solo confirmation quiz is optional. Some of you have already done the orientation, online orientation, so you will not need to do it again. If you have not done it, I highly recommend it, especially if this is the first time you've had an online class. Now you're ready to go on to Module 1. The required reading is the first thing that you need to do. It's an introductory essay about the Middle Ages in your textbook. There's nothing to turn in for this, but you want to take notes. The Lord's Prayer in Old English is the next assignment. It's a discussion forum. And it looks like this. It's very important to read directions and follow the directions. There's some photos and information you need to look at before you look at the video. And then all of the information, you need to read that first before you attempt to do any assignment to be sure that you do it correctly. The next assignment that you will do is the Dream of the Rood assignment. Rood just means cross. And there again, you want to follow the directions explicitly. This is a note-taking assignment. You will take notes on the information. You will not have to take notes on the second video, but the reading material and then the first video you will want to take notes. You can submit your notes by taking a picture of them, and this is explained on the assignment. Scroll on down to the bottom of the assignment page, and you will see the grading criteria for the assignment. Take note of how many points for each item in the list. Sometimes I use rubrics, sometimes I use checklists, but this gives you a good idea of what I would like to see in each assignment. I hope that this information has helped you to get started in the class. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me. Here's my contact information.